Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about iPhone 12. If you haven't seen the part 1, I will link it down in the description. Let's go and let's find out. Before starting the video, hit the like button, consider subscribing my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you will be alerted when I upload a new video. In part 1 we talked about 5G, ceramic sheeted display, iPhone 5 type design and pricing. That all good stuff. LiDAR, Smart HDR3 and a new camera. Normally new cameras would be the biggest feature of an iPhone launch. And while the new design and 5G will get a lot of attention, the cameras deserve some as well. The main wide angle lens on all 4 iPhones has a new lens with an aperture of f1.6 and a new larger sensor. Apple claimed this combined offers 27% improvement in low light situations. The ultra wide angle camera on all the phones get a boost. Viva software to help correct distortion better. Then there is the two different telephoto cameras on the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. The 12 Pro has a similar 52mm lens as last year's iPhone 12 Pro, but the 12 Pro Max get a new longer 65mm lens, which offers a 2.5x optical zoom instead of 2x optical zoom on the 12 Pro. Both Pro models also have LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ringing. It will help AR apps detect object depth and space. But the camera can also use LiDAR for improving autofocus with photos and video. Especially in low light, LiDAR even allows for portrait night mode photos. All of the cameras are powered by A14 Bionic chip. According to Apple, new brain of iPhone 12 family are 50% faster than any other phone sold today. The A14 brings Smart HDR3, which optimizes the dynamic range of photos, identify scenes like skis, and optimize for people's skin and hair. Smart HDR3 and night mode works on the wide, ultra-wide, and selfie camera. Deep Fusion, which optimizes pictures on a pixel level to reduce noise and improve details, is now on every camera, including the telephoto on the 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. All 4 phones can record in Dolby Vision HDR, which automatically color grades your videos in the Dolby Vision standard. The Pro models support Dolby Vision HDR at all settings up to 4K 60fps, and the 12 and 12 mini support it up to 4K 30fps. All of this happens inside the Photo app, which is kind of amazing. The 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will also be able to reduce a special RAW photo file, which they called ProRAW. The idea is to provide the flexibility of a RAW photo file, but will be smarts of computational photography. This feature that will come out later. Wireless charging meets MagSafe, the power adapter. Remember MagSafe from your MacBook? If you tripped over the charger cable, it will pop out. So as not to bring your MacBook crashing to the ground, the technology centered around cleverly placed magnets. To improve your wireless charging experience, Apple used specially placed magnets to betterly align your phone's position to improve charging efficiency. Apple is omitting the wired AirPods and power adapter that would normally come in the box, but there is a fast USB-C to Lightning cable included. That said, one of the arguments Apple made for not including the AirPods and power brick was there are so many already in existence, and I kind of agree. Except, how many people have USB-C power plug-in at their home? I have a bunch of old 5V ones, but those were for USB-A. That is gonna be it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing my channel. I will catch you in next one. Peace.